Today we will be exploring the top Indian stocks, backed by BlackRock's investments. BlackRock's keen interest in India's economic growth led to the establishment of the Blackrock India Fund. This fund heavily favors the Indian equity market, allocating a substantial 70% weightage to it within the entire portfolio. In this exploration, we delve into the key companies that BlackRock has heavily invested in, shining a light on their influence and significance within the market. Infosys, driving digital innovation. Infosys, a global leader in digital services and consulting, emerged in 1981 from humble beginnings in Pune. From its pioneering days to expanding its presence across 56 countries, Infosys commands a weightage of 8.2% in the BlackRock India Fund. Reliance Industries, evolution from textiles to petrochemicals. Starting as a textile manufacturer in 1957, Reliance Industries has transformed into a petrochemical giant under Mukesh Ambani's leadership. With a 7.84% weightage in BlackRock's fund, Reliance's growth story reflects in its market capitalization of 15.8 lakh rupees crossing. HDFC Bank, pioneering financial inclusion. HDFC Bank, India's largest private sector bank, has a weightage of 6.89% in the BlackRock India Fund. Originating from HDFC Limited's success in housing finance, HDFC Bank's robust growth echoes in its 18.83 lakh rupees CR deposits and extensive branch network. Axis Bank, steadily ascending in financial realm. With a 5.19% weightage in BlackRock's fund, Axis Bank emerges as India's third largest bank. The recent acquisition of Citibank India Consumer Business and strategic margin improvements highlight its growth trajectory. TCS, Tata Consultancy Services, the epitome of Tata's IT prowess, earns a weightage of 4.92% in the BlackRock India Fund. TCS leads in global IT and consultancy services, marking milestones since its inception in 1969. BlackRock's investment portfolio also includes other major players like Maruti Suzuki India, ICICI Bank, Larsen & Toubro, Ultratech Cement, and Mahindra & Mahindra. However, despite these heavyweight investments, the BlackRock India Fund has shown a return of only 156.90% since its inception in 2006. The slower performance of key holdings like Infosys and Reliance, with returns of 115% and 105% respectively in the past 5 years, might have contributed to this. What are your thoughts on the BlackRock India Fund's representation of the Indian stock market? Share your views on whether the fund should consider exiting or adding stocks to their portfolio in the comments below.